Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Gather 2 cups passion fruit pulp, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 cup heavy cream, and 3 egg whites for a stable mousse. Chill the mixing bowl in beaters for about 10 minutes to help egg whites reach stiff peaks quickly and consistently. Cold metal stabilizes foam. Reserve 1/4 cup passion pulp for garnish and strain the remaining pulp through a fine mesh sieve to remove seeds and fibers, so the mousse has a velvety texture and a smooth mouthfeel. Start by whipping 1 cup heavy cream to soft peaks so it holds shape but stays flexible. Transfer to a separate bowl. Whip 3 egg whites while gradually adding 1/2 cup sugar until stiff, glossy peaks form. This creates stable aeration. Combine the passion pulp with the egg yolks, fold the whipped cream into the yolk passion mixture to lighten it, then gently fold egg whites in thirds, stopping when no streaks remain to preserve volume, and a light transfer the assembled mousse into individual glasses or a single dish and chill for at least 4 hours or overnight, so the proteins and fat set and flavors meld. Serve each portion with the reserved 1/4 cup passion pulp spooned on top and a fresh mint sprig. Aim for 6 servings of about 150 grams each for balanced portions. Store any leftovers sealed in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and avoid freezing, because freezing destroys the mousse's airy structure and creates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.